Practice graphing y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So here is a quadratic function we can practice on. Before we start, let's think about what we're looking at. The first thing you should notice is that this is a positive a, so it's going to be a happy parabola. The second thing you might want to notice is that our a is bigger than 1, so it's going to be more narrow. The next thing to notice is that our parabola will cross the y-axis at 2. Now we should take quick stock of our a, b, and c. Our a equals 3, our b equals -6, and our c equals 2. Also, since there is an x term, we know our parabola is not going to be centered. The axis of symmetry will either be to the left or to the right, which will make our parabola dip. Now that we've taken mental stock of what we're looking at, let's find our axis of symmetry. Remember, the axis of symmetry is found with -b over 2a. Since b is -6, negative b will be -6. 2a will be 2 times 3. -6 is just +6, and 2 times 3 is also 6. This is just 6 over 6, which equals 1, so our axis of symmetry is at 1. Remember, this is the x-coordinate of our vertex. If we plug 1 in for x, we can find the y value, or the y-coordinate of our vertex. Plugging 1 in for x, we get 3 times 1 squared minus 6 times 1 plus 2. This becomes 3 minus 6 plus 2, so our y ends up being -1. Now that we have our vertex, we are much closer to having the graph. Here are the 2 points that I know, and I can reflect